What's going on, guys? It's your boy Vipes, bringing you a brand new video on Bitcoin, guys. So as you guys know, a couple months ago I was very bearish on Bitcoin, and this is why I was bearish, for this exact reason. Where we are now, I did expect this to happen a little earlier, but it happened a little later at 60k, and everyone thought we were going to 100k, 200k. But you guys got to realize that that's not how crypto works, guys. That is not how it works. And I was a little off, I must admit, but I knew this shit would happen, guys. I knew it would happen. I told you guys before that we would dump, that we would go. Everyone called me crazy for being bearish, but guys, we don't just go up without going down. So I'm going to tell you what I see here, guys. I see this as potentially a first wave of a 5-wave structure up, as I said in my last video. I could see this going one of two ways. I could see this going something like this, and then retesting this 50 to 52k area, this trend line here that I drew. I could see us retesting this trend line here, and if we fail to break this, I could see maybe an ABC correction, and if we hold, then that is going to be very good. I could see something like this back to maybe 40k, and then we go up for the next 5 waves up, maybe potentially to retest this previous high. But that's what I think, guys. That is my most bullish scenario in this case, but I'm going to give you guys a bear scenario. I don't think the bear scenario will play out. There is a big probability that it does play out, but we just got to wait and see. If I take this chart to the, let's say, the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to go on the daily. The daily is a little easier to see where we might be headed. But if this isn't the first wave, which I presume this could be the first wave of this completed 4th wave, I could see us potentially going a little bit lower, as I said in the previous video, which I could see us going to retest this previous breakout here at around 20k. I know that's not what you guys want to hear, but that is a possibility. We could see this 4th wave go down here to around 20k until we see the next impulse wave up. We are a bit oversold on the daily time frame, as I said in the previous video, so we just gotta wait and see what happens in this scenario. We are building a series of higher lows, so this is slightly promising, but I could see us potentially going down to maybe 32.5 to retest this trend line that we are building right now. So we just gotta wait and see how this forms out. I could see this going something around the lines of this, maybe bouncing up here, retesting here, getting rejected, maybe going here and starting to form this symmetrical triangle, which eventually we could bounce around like this and break out. That is the most bullish scenario, guys. Okay, I don't want to tell you that's what's gonna happen. I really hope it happens, but this is also another possibility. We retested here, we failed, and now we're going to make a lower low. If we break this trend line here and make a lower low, I'm telling you guys, we're probably going to at least revisit somewhere around maybe 24k before we see a bounce up to maybe retest this trend line at around 32k, and then go down to 19 to 20k, or even potentially 15k, which, guys, you guys have to understand that this is crypto. This could take a while, so it's all about patience, waiting for confirmation, and let's see if we make a lower low on this dump here. And if we hold this level here and make a higher low, this is promising. If we see some rejection here, see some support, that's probably the best case scenario for us to continue going up. This does kind of look like some type of bearish flag that's forming to me, in my personal opinion. It does look like we're already forming some type of triangle here. This could be a continuation pattern where we see something like this and then we go down, which I'm telling you guys, if we do go down, this is a target. If I take a measurement from here to here, this lines up, guys. This lines up in this area right here, guys. Anywhere from 25 to 20k, this lines up. So this is the most bearish scenario, guys, but as I said before, if we're bullish, we're going to see something along the lines of a rejection here, maybe a rejection here, maybe another higher low here, and then we break out. So that's about all I have to say about Bitcoin. if you like this video, smash that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, and I will keep you guys updated as much as I can. I'm going to try and start uploading more frequently and be more consistent. I'm just, as I said before in the last video, doing some stuff with my life, and this is more of a hobby, doing all this and giving you guys updates, but I got other stuff to do. But you know, I love you guys, so I'll post as much as I can. So as I said, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.